Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a blog post on Confluence in just a few simple steps. Click the Create button in the top right corner to open the Create menu. The menu drops down showing several content type options. You'll see Page, Blog, File List, Whiteboard, and a few other content types you can add to your space. Select Blog from the menu to open the blog editor, which loads with a title field at the top and a body area below. The editor opens in a new tab with a clean layout. The title field is labeled Blog Post Title in light gray placeholder text. And below that, you have a large text area for your blog content with formatting options in the toolbar above it. Click into the title field where it says Blog Post Title and type your title. For this example, I'm typing my blog. The placeholder text disappears as soon as you start typing, and your title appears in the default heading style. Click into the body area and type your content. Here I'm adding test blog as a quick example. You can format text using the toolbar or just add plain text to get your post up quickly. Your content appears in the editor as you type, and changes save automatically as draft. Once you've added your content, click the Publish button in the top right corner to open the Publish Blog dialog. The button sits next to a three-dot menu and shows clearly once you've entered some content in your post. The dialog shows your publish options. You'll see fields for labels, publication date, and notification settings. Click the Publish button at the bottom of the dialog to publish your blog post live to the space, and it becomes visible to everyone with access to view your Confluence space. Your blog post saves as a draft automatically while you're working on it, so you can leave the editor and come back to finish it later. If you need to edit a published post, open it and click the three-dot menu in the top right, then select Edit. You can find all your blog posts by clicking the Blogs link in your space's sidebar. They're listed there in reverse chronological order. And that's how to create a blog post on Confluence. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.